Dear students, welcome all of you. Please very carefully. This series of videos is meant for your better achievement in NEET. I request all of you go through all the questions very carefully. It will increase your score in biology by about 30%. I request all of you to subscribe to the channel so that every video will reach you in advance. Thanks to all subscribers. Question number 1. Which one of the following organisms are not an example of eukaryotic cells? Option A. Amoeba proteus. Option B. Paramecium caudatum. Option C. Escherichia coli. Option D. Euglena verdigris. The correct option is C. Escherichia coli. Question number 2. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular name taxonomic category? Option A. Housefly, to Musca, an order. Option B. Tiger, to Tigris, the species. Option C. Cuttlefish, to Mollusca, a class. Option D. Humans, to Primata, the family. The correct option is B. Tiger, to Tigris, the species. Question number 3. In which one of the following the genus name, its two characters, and its class or phylum are correctly matched? Option A. Aurelia. A. Cnidoblasts. B. Organ level of organization. Coelenterata. Option B. Ascaris. A. Body segmented. B. Males and females distinct. Annelida. Option C. Salmondra. A. A tympanum represents ear. B. Fertilization is external. Amphibia. Option D. Pteropus. A. Skin possesses hair. B. Oviparous. Mammalia. The correct option, C. Salmondra, belongs to class Amphibia. It has tympanum that represents ear. Fertilization is external. Question number 4. Which one of the following groups of animals is correctly matched with its one characteristic feature, without even a single exception? Option A. Mammalia, to give birth to young ones. Option B. Reptilia, to possess three-chambered heart, with one incompletely divided ventricle. Option C. Chordata, to possess a mouth, provided with an upper and a lower jaw. Option D. Chondrichthyes, to possess cartilaginous endoskeleton. The correct option is D. Chondrichthyes, to possess a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Question number 5. What will you look for to identify the sex of the following? Option A. Male shark, to claspers borne on pelvic fins. Option B. Female ascaris, to sharply curved posterior end. Option C. Male frog, to a copulatory pad on the first digit of the hindlimb. Option D. Female cockroach, to anal cerci. The correct option is A. Male shark, to claspers borne on pelvic fins. Question number 6. The curve given below shows enzymatic activity with relation to three conditions: pH, temperature, and substrate concentration. What do the two axes, X and Y, represent respectively? Option A. X2, enzymatic activity, Y2, temperature. Option B. X2, enzymatic activity, Y2, pH. Option C. X2, temperature, Y2, enzyme activity. Option D. X2, substrate concentration, Y2, enzymatic activity. The correct option is C. X2, temperature, Y2, enzyme activity. Question number 7. The ciliated columnar epithelial cells in humans are known to occur in: Option A. Fallopian tubes and urethra. Option B. Eustachian tube and stomach lining. Option C. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Option D. Bile duct and esophagus. The correct option is C. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Question number 8. Select the correct option with respect to mitosis. Option A. Chromosomes move to the spindle equator and get aligned along the equatorial plate in metaphase. Option B. Chromatids separate but remain in the center of the cell in anaphase. Option C. Chromatids start moving towards opposite poles in telophase. Option D. Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum are still visible at the end of prophase. The correct option is A. Chromosomes move to the spindle equator and get aligned along the equatorial plate in metaphase. Question number 9. Which one of the following structural formulae of two organic compounds is correctly identified, along with its related function? Option A. A-lecithin 2, a component of the cell membrane. Option B. B-adenine 2, a nucleotide that makes up nucleic acids. Option C. A triglyceride 2, a major source of energy. Option D. B-uracil 2, a component of DNA. The correct option is A. A-lecithin 2, a component of the cell membrane. Question number 10. What was the most significant trend in the evolution of modern man, Homo sapiens, from his ancestors? Option A. Increasing brain capacity. Option B. Upright posture. Option C. Shortening of jaws. Option D. Binocular vision. The correct option is A. Increasing brain capacity.